Paul, we're at Southern Manufacturing 2019. Many engineers will know Mitutoyo from very acute type of measuring up to very vast CMMs. Now this is a smaller CMM that you've got here, but can you tell me a little bit about the benefits of this machine and some of the other products you've got here at Southern Manufacturing?
Sure, this is our Ko-Ga-Me measuring machine. It's a very small footprint. The volume of the machine is 120 mil squared XY, 80 mil in Z. Extremely rapid CMM, so the throughput is improved. It's aimed at companies who are measuring very small components, and it's also intended to be fitted in line systems so that you've got parts conveying through the measuring range and then indexing onto the next part. So
now, I see a lot of your CMMs, some up to 5 meters, but is the benefit with this machine, it's just the speed of it?
Absolutely, it's the size, because some people are really strapped for space for the footprint, but the speed is the massive benefit here. Now, of course, we make machines, bespoke machines, up to whatever size you like, but yeah, they're the two main benefits here, the size and the speed.
And when you look at your CMM business within Mitutoyo, is it a large proportion of the turnover each year?
This machine itself?
Well, just in general.
Well, yeah, I mean, this is a relatively new product, so we've got 50 or 60 out of these out in the field at the moment. And yeah, there's lots of interest in them at the moment. So
now CMMs are one thing, but it's all driven by software. Now you're renowned for very clever software. What's the software that you actually got on this machine specifically?
We're running our standard MCosmos software, but of course that's a modulated software that runs with different functionality. So if it's a prismatic part, it may be just geometry. It could be freeform surfaces for evaluating profile, or it could be scanning 2D profiles also.
And it's not just about metallics, because you've got non-contact measurement, and at Southern Manufacturing you have the electronics sector of the show.
Of course, yeah.
Now, your products in non-contact, could you explain what range and what they are?
Well, we've got a large range of measurement systems in non-contact. There's one just around the corner here, quick vision, quick scope, microscopes, and of course they're fitted with different cameras. They're very small, flexible parts, so we can't afford to touch these components. Very intricate in terms of tolerances. So yeah, there's a series of cameras there that will fit for that application.
And for those engineers that may be looking for an inspection or measurement solution, what can you actually offer? Do you have demonstrations? Do you have showrooms that you can actually show the products in actual volume?
Yeah, up and down the UK we have 4 regional showrooms. We've got one up in East Kilbride, one in Halifax in Yorkshire, one in Coventry, and one at the headquarters in Andover down in Hampshire, not so far from here.
And can engineers actually bring their parts in as well?
They can, yeah. We actually advise people to do that, so we might give you a general overview and then we'll say let's measure your parts and to see if we've got a solution for your needs.
Great, thanks very much for your time, Paul.
Okay, thank you very much.